This is the smart air conditioning device controlled by this app over Bluetooth. So first let's connect over Bluetooth. So now the temperature is initialized to 78 degrees. Now let us lower the temperature.
Lowering target temperature. Fan turning on.
So now the fan is moving. So now that the fan is going, we can apply an ice pack to simulate the temperature of the air cooling off. And eventually the temperature will drop and the fan will in fact turn off.
Air is cool. Fan turning off.
There we go. And there you have it.